What information must be disclosed by each parent when it comes to determining child support obligations and amounts in New York State?
Yeah, so there's what's called mandatory disclosure. So the mandatory disclosure is pretty much the same whether you're talking a Supreme Court divorce case or a family court child support case. So there's two documents. One in the divorce case is called a net worth statement. In the family court, it's called a financial disclosure affidavit. The information on those two documents are pretty similar. It's just the financial disclosure affidavit is a more streamlined version. So that's number one. Number two, the person has to submit their last filed tax return, as well as the schedules, the W-2s, the 1099s that go with it. The next thing is they're generally required to submit a pay stub so that if there is a substantial change in the current year, one can see that. And then they're usually required to submit such things as if they're requesting some kind of add-on expenses such as health insurance or childcare or something along those lines. They're generally required to submit some kind of proof of the fact that they're incurring those expenses. So in the example of childcare, that would usually be a babysitter, after school or summer camp, or a combination thereof. And then they would be required to submit the invoices, the receipts, etc., that corroborate that childcare expense.